हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन सॉल्यूशन ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड टाइप ऑफ नॉन लीनियर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पीडी फॉर्म 3. In my previous video I have explained about the form 1 and 2. Now this is the form 3. What is the form 3? If the given PD, your PD is given some x, y, P, Q, Z. Actually, this is your standard. This is the non-linear PD. Fine. But if your given PD, you can write in this form: f of P x equal to g of Q y. Only P Q x y that PD have, and you are able to separate in this way f of P x. The left hand side only function of P and x, and right hand side only function of Q and y. So we can have this equal to one constant, because this is the only function of x alone, function of y alone. So this we can have equal to a. Then f of P comma x equal to a. So from here we can get P in term of x and some constant, right? Okay. And the same way here g q y equal to a. So here q can be written as some psi y and a. Fine. So we are getting P in term of x and q in term of y. Then we can have this complete solution. P dz equal to P dx plus Q P dx plus Q dy. So this P is the function of x alone, we can integrate easily, and this is Q is the function of y, so we can integrate easily and can get the answer. Fine. Okay, so I will have a problem based on the standard form 3. We will have one problem based on, so first I'll take p square plus q square equal to x plus y. So it's very simple, that p square minus x we can have equal to we can have q minus q square plus y equal to a, because p and x we have done in the one side and q and y we have done in the other side. So from the first part we can have p square equal to a plus x. So p equal to x plus 1 power or x plus a power 1 by 2, and from the second part q square equal to y minus a. So q will be y minus a power 1 by 2. Then your dz will be p dx plus q dy. So p equal to x plus a 1 by 2 dx plus y minus a 1 by 2 dy. Now you can integrate. So z equal to, we can have 2 by 3 and x plus a power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 y minus a power 3 by 2 plus b. So this is your answer. So when we are able to separate p and x one side, q and y other side, then we can use this method. Fine. Okay, the next problem I have for this form 3. The next problem I have PQ equal to XY. It's very simple. I'll have P by X and Y by Q equal to A. So from the P by X equal to A, which imply P equal to AX. Clear? Y by Q equal to A which imply q equal to y by a. Then we can have dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So dz equal to, what is the p? P equal to ax dx plus what is the q? Q equal to y by a dy. So if I integrate, I will get z equal to a x square by 2 plus y square by 2a plus b. So this is your solution. Clear? Fine? Okay. Now I will have third problem based on this form 3, that is your z p square minus q square equal to x minus y. So if you see here, z is extra because in the form 3 we need only x, y, p, q, but z is the extra. So this z we can manage, right? Let us see how to manage this z using the same substitution. So we can have z del dz by dx whole square minus z del z by del y whole square equal to x minus y. Then root z dz by dx whole square minus root z del z by del y whole square. Root z will come inside whole square x minus y. Now this z is extra, right? Root z is extra. Then what we can have? This root z into del z we can have del z1. That's all. After that we can have this p, right? So I am writing here root z del z is equal to dz1. So we can have 3 by 2 2 by 3 z power 3 by 2 equal to z1. Fine. So what is the advantage of this? Then we can have del z1 by del x whole square minus del z1 by del y whole square equal to x minus y. Now this is the p, capital Q, x and y. Now we can have what we can have? So this is capital P. So now del z1 by del x minus x equal to del z1 by the whole square del z1 by del y whole square minus y equal to a, we can take, right? So if you take the first part, so del z1 by del x whole square equal to minus x equal to a. So we have del z1 by del x equal to a plus x. So capital P equal to a plus x power 1 by 2. Fine. And from this part we can have del z1 by del y equal to a plus y power 1 by 2. Fine. Now we can have dz1 equal to p dx plus q dy. So what is the p? P equal to a plus x 1 by 2 dx plus a plus y power 1 by 2 dy. So this will be your z1 equal to 2 by 3 a plus x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 a plus y 3 by 2 plus b. Now z1, what is the z1? Z1 what we have taken? Okay, I have taken here root z del z equal to z1. So I have integrate, so dz1 here. So we get 2 by 3 Z3 by 2 equal to Z1. So in the place of Z1 we can write 2 by 3 Z power 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 Z power 3 by 2 equal to 2 by 3 a plus x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 a plus y 3 by 2 plus b. So this is your answer. Fine. So what we have done? Actually standard form 3 will have only p, q, x, y. So here z was extra. So we have given the substitution. So you can see that form 1, 2, 3. Okay. So one directly will have the question, and another one you need to reduce in the standard form. Okay. So in practice few problems, it is very easy to understand. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.